ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, balak play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, balayada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, balale da ka Meva Enterprise.
Ka tanat penyaj election jong ke Sarkar Jilla hadin bakal yok pediang ya ke jing pentip na ke office jong ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly halor ke jing klat no badangshen jong UMLA ke Maurang Keneng Constituency uba David A. Nongrum. Menta ke kenti kadang up ya ke jubab na ke Election Commission of India bakan shim ya karai halor ke jing ptha ban penlong no ya ke election shiteng samoy ha Maurang Keneng Constituency. Chief Electoral Officer jong ketanat election ke Sarkar Jilla uba Frederick Roy Kharkongor habaya keren bat kilat patai kubor ulaong bakadang long ka bakloy ban keren halor kani ke benta wat lakin sadon ki election shiteng samoy baki Election Commission of India kan hab ban penlong ha ke Jilla Assam West Bengal bat kuntubru ha kani ke Jilla Meghalaya.
One, there is the parliamentary by-election when late P.S. Sangma passed away. So that is one. Then in 2018, we had one deferred election at William Nagar. Then followed by the vacancy caused due to the resignation of the honourable member from Ampati. Then we had another one at Ranikor and another one at Tura. So that's 4 in 2018. Actually, it's 3 plus 1 because one was a deferred election due to the shooting at William Nagar. No? Right. So that was a deferred. So that exactly is not a by-election, but it's a deferred election. And that year there were 3 by-elections: Tura, Ranikor, and Ampati. So 3 in 2016 plus 1 deferred election. Then in 2019 we had Shela due to the death of late Don Gopal Roy. Then that year itself, the honourable member from Silsila also passed away, Mr. Clement Marak. And but since it was close to the parliamentary election, so we had simultaneous elections with the parliamentary election. So though the seat was vacated in 2018, but the elections was held simultaneously with the MP election in 2019. And then now in 2021, due to the death of the sitting member of Maurang Keneng, that will also, that led to a vacancy, so that will also lead to another by-election to be announced. I don't have the exact figures, but for example, the parliamentary election, when it was simultaneous like in Silsila, so there was not much expenditure because it was simultaneous. Held almost around the same time, but for various elections, there are some which are held in logistically very difficult areas like Ranikor. The polling stations are very far and there are lots of logistic requirements, so the cost tends to be a bit higher. Then maybe for an urban polling station which is located within the city, the cost will be a bit less. So there is no flat rate exactly. It depends from place to place, constituency to constituency. It also depends on the weather. If it's held during the monsoons, then there are many more roads which are inaccessible and which need more logistic support. And then there are protocols. We have some areas which are slightly more sensitive than others. We need more static surveillance teams. We need more, more MCC teams. So that depends. There are so many factors which go into into determining what is the final outcome. What is the final expenditure per election. So there are many variables, so to say, to comment when it will be announced. But there are a number of elections which are happening in the neighbouring state of Assam as well as in West Bengal. So, though I'm not in a position to say anything, but the possibility is always there. We got this, this intimation from the office of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly that a vacancy has been caused in the 13 Modern Kling Assembly constituency in East Khasi district. So as soon as we got that information, we have conveyed to the ECI, to the Election Commission of India, and Election Commission of India has in fact sought some details about the election preparedness, and now we are waiting for further inputs and further directions from the Election Commission.